Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Chair Powell. Sorry to take you away from inflation for 1 minute. May I ask about the sanctions on Russia and specifically the freezing of the central bank assets? Of course, that raises a similar risk for other sovereigns around the world and their biggest companies potentially. Any concerns about, in the long term, how this might affect the dollar's status as the preeminent global reserve currency? And in the past couple of weeks, have you had to deliver any kinds of reassurance to other central bankers around the world?
Well, so of course, central bankers around the world are generally very in favor of all of these sanctions. But let me say this: sanctions are really the business of the elected government, and that's true everywhere. So the administration, the Treasury Department in particular, and other agencies, they create these sanctions. We're there to provide technical expertise, but they're not. It's not our decisions, so I'm reluctant to comment on sanctions really much because again they're not for us. We have a very specific mandate, and these are really the province of elected governments, as I mentioned. So I'd have to leave it at that. So, sorry.